Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So we are still having people sign up for Epicure USA because we are in the pre-launch phase now. The full launch is in August, so we're coming. So the pre-launch means that you can sign up for your kit, which is awesome. So you are sent your kit in about a week. It's about 400 plus worth of products for about $175, $174 US, depending on where you live, depending on taxes. But that's it. That's amazing, you guys. For 400 plus worth of products, that is fantastic. So you can actually purchase that now. You will be sent that. Plus, you can sign other people up on your team. So if you know your sister wants to sign her up under you, and you're technically her sponsor, meaning you will walk her through everything and help her. Obviously, if you're new to this, you're probably thinking, I can't help anybody. I need somebody to help me. That's where I come in, you guys. If you sign up under me, I help everybody. So I help you, I help whoever you sign up, I help everybody on my team. So I do everything online. So my teams, US, Canada, everywhere, I do these trainings online. I have a full training page online with like little videos here and there on like how to hold your first cooking class, how to talk about Epicure and not sound like you're trying to sell it, how to talk about people or talk to people who want to join your team but you don't really know what to say, how to handle difficult customer questions, how to handle customers who want to bring something back. You know, I talk about all of that. I've been selling for about 3 years now, so not a crazy long time. But I love Epicure so much, and I just love talking about Epicure, as corny as that sounds. But I love teaching. I love training people how to make this either a part-time or a full-time business too, because why not make money from it, right? Why not? We're not here to give money away. We're not here to lose money. We're here to make some commission talking about something that we love so much. You know, who doesn't love to eat? Who doesn't love to cook? I mean, I don't necessarily love to cook, but with Epicure, it just makes it so much easier. People will love to eat what you're making. So if you're like, okay, Epicure sounds awesome. I want to eat healthier. I want to learn how to cook healthier. I want to be healthier. I want to look better. I want Epicure. So if this is you, let me know. Sign up under me. I am so happy to help. We even have our own group on Facebook, which I have left a link for you guys on the bottom. Come on in, send me a message, say hello. And we have also a group chat on Facebook also. So if you have a quick question, hey, just type it in the chat. If I can't get to it right away, somebody else on our team can. So we're always helping each other out, which is awesome. And I am here to teach you guys how to share Epicure and how to make money without selling. But you know, more importantly, it just gets so exciting to learn how to cook something that tastes so good that is healthier for you. Like just the other day, we had Epicure has launched their caramel sauce mix. It tastes so good. I'm putting this caramel sauce on everything, and it's actually a lot healthier for you, obviously, than what you can get in the stores. Like I can't. And I have sold so much. You get 2 packs for $10, but it makes so much that, oh my God, it's just so good. But see, it's nice to be excited, right, about food. You know, who would have thought that we would be so excited about food? Us making food, right? But anyways, if you share excitement for healthy eating, wanting to make things that are not toxic, that are not artificial, there's no nuts in anything, I could go on forever, but just Epicure is awesome. So please let me know, you guys. Send me a message. I'll leave you guys the link for the Facebook group on the bottom. Just like that page, send me a message. I am so happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in August for our full launch. But you might as well sign up now to get the kit before the full launch, right? Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you next time.